Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're back, kisses. My name is Rosie for short, and in this video I want to share with you some recipes. So you guys have been asking recipes, so what better way than starting some recipe ideas with smoothies. I remembered that when I first went vegan, this is one of the first things that I started making, just to make sure that I was eating healthy and that I was making healthy drinks to start my morning. And just having a smoothie is so much better than coffee or tea because it's going to give you nutrients and it's going to give you energy and make you feel ready for the day. So depending on the base that you have, whether it's water, milk, or any other juice liquid, I'm gonna give you some ideas on what fruits or veggies to add and why I chose those ingredients. So the benefits of each ingredient, and each smoothie only requires 3 ingredients to make it easy for you. So it's really simple, really fast to make in the morning, and I want to be able to help you guys. So without talking anymore, let's begin. 1 cup of water, 1 frozen banana, which I already had ready, some apples. I'm using 2 because they're really small. And for the greens, I'm going to use spinach. So water for me is a great solution in case you are out of OJ or coconut water or you don't have milk. So just think of water as a base. And then bananas have many important nutrients like potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, magnesium, copper, and more. And also helps to moderate blood sugar levels. It helps with weight loss and to keep your heart healthy, and it makes you feel full. And bananas are great for healthy hair, so it's really great for your beauty. And then apples are a great option for detox and keep your body cool in the summer, and they protect you from UVB damage and prevents wrinkles to keep you looking young, and great for the skin to keep breakouts away. And spinach has vitamin A, gives you a glowy complexion, regenerates vitamin C, which is great for your eyes and liver. And spinach actually has vitamin K, which is better than milk and gives you bone strength. So for the next smoothie, I'm going to be using OJ as the base. So in this case, OJ is already sweet, so I do think about adding 1 extra fruit, but in this case I'll be adding kale because the taste is a little bit more bitter. I want to reduce the bitter taste of that with OJ and the banana. And in the previous smoothie I used spinach and water because spinach has a more subtle taste. A frozen banana, we're going to use kale, about a handful of kale, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. The reason why I'm adding kale is because it has vitamin A, which helps to have smooth skin, and vitamin C, which both are anti-aging. Kale also has vitamin K, which helps to nourish oils in your sebaceous glands, and it also has calcium, which is easily absorbed, even better from milk. And of course, it helps to keep a clear skin. And the chia seeds because they have omega-3 fatty acids, which is a great option if you're vegetarian or vegan and you don't eat fish. Then I recommend flax seeds, chia seeds, hemp seeds, all those. And chia seeds also protects your skin from sun damage, and it's a complete protein, which is great for healthy skin, hair, and nails, and makes you feel fuller with fewer calories. and also great for bone. It has calcium, zinc, and great for blemish-free skin. For the next smoothie, the base is going to be almond milk. I love almond milk, but I prefer cashew milk, but they didn't have that one, but this is still a great option. 1 frozen banana, about half cup of blueberries, and then 3 tablespoons of oatmeal. Oatmeal and milk is such a great combination. It makes me think of breakfast. I love blueberries because they will keep you looking young, and they also protect from UV damage, and it defends against wrinkles. And blueberries also have potassium for the circulation of nutrients and oxygen, and it will boost skin elasticity. And I really like oats. They are high in manganese, which help to maintain healthy hair. Also rich in iron for strong hair and nails, and great for the skin elasticity. And for the best benefits, I recommend getting gluten-free oats. Let's try this one. It's so good. It's so delicious. So this is the second smoothie, the one that has OJ, banana, kale, and chia seeds, and it's so delicious. It's so good. It's so filling, and at the same time it's so healthy, and what a great way to start the morning. Oh, and by the way, you guys have asked that where do I get the straws from? I always get them from Amazon, so I'm going to link it in the description box. I have these stainless steel. I also have the glass straws that you saw in the other smoothies, and I also like the bamboo straws. I don't have those, but I think they're really nice too. Plus, it's an eco-friendly way to have straws and not contributing to global warming. So those were the 3 smoothie recipes. I tried to make them simple and so quick for you to make. And if you notice, I didn't add any sugar because when you're adding fruit, they naturally have sugar, the good sugar. It's so much better than adding processed ingredients that will benefit your body. So I really hope you make them and try them because they are really good, and you can share them with me in any of my social media with the hashtag Lindsire so that I can see your pictures and see how it turned out. So don't forget, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That lets me know that you enjoyed it. And you can say hi or leave me any video ideas in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Kisses. Bye.